Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we bring you the most thorough, no-nonsense product reviews to help you make the best buying decisions. Today, we're taking a close look at the Dyson V11 cordless stick vacuum in its sleek nickel and blue finish. If you're tired of battling with tangled hair, struggling with pet fur, or constantly switching between cleaning modes, this could be the vacuum you've been waiting for. Let's see how it stacks up in the world of cordless vacuums. The Dyson V11 is a powerhouse packed into a slim, sleek design. Powered by Dyson's digital motor, this stick vacuum boasts up to 60% more suction power than its predecessors, which translates into a deep clean across various floor types, from carpets to hardwood and everything in between. But let's get into the specifics that matter when it comes to real-world performance. First, you've got 3 power modes: Auto Mode, Eco Mode, and Boost Mode. Auto Mode is where this vacuum finds its sweet spot, balancing power and runtime to give you the most efficient clean for everyday tasks. Eco Mode maximizes the battery life, while Boost Mode kicks things up a notch when you're dealing with tougher messes or deep-seated dirt. The LCD screen on the V11 adds a modern touch, displaying everything you need to know: power mode, remaining runtime, and maintenance alerts, all visible down to the second. It's a small thing, but it's incredibly useful when you're in the middle of cleaning. When it comes to versatility, the V11 excels. The Motorbar cleaner head is equipped to handle every floor type, from carpets to tiles, and it's designed with an anti-tangle brush bar that tackles long hair and pet fur, which can often be a nightmare for vacuum users. Whether you're cleaning floors, pet beds, or car interiors, this feature is a game changer. It even converts into a handheld vacuum, so cleaning those stairs or upholstery is a breeze. And Dyson has thought of everything with the included hair screw tool, designed specifically to pick up long hair and pet hair fast, making it perfect for homes with pets or people with long hair. This tool uses a conical brush bar that actively detangles hair as it cleans, keeping maintenance to a minimum. Filtration is another area where the Dyson V11 impresses. It features whole machine filtration that captures 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. For anyone dealing with allergies, this level of filtration is essential. The V11 doesn't just clean your floors, it improves your indoor air quality by expelling cleaner air as it works, making it a great option for households with allergy sufferers. Battery life is, of course, a big consideration with any cordless vacuum, and Dyson has delivered here with up to 60 minutes of runtime, depending on the mode you're using. If you're doing light cleaning in Eco Mode, you could stretch that battery life even further. But if you're using Boost Mode for deep cleaning, expect a shorter runtime. The V11 also has a clear and simple battery indicator on the LCD screen, so you're never left wondering when it's time to recharge. Plus, with the fast charging capabilities, you can get back to cleaning quickly. When it comes to usability, the V11 is relatively lightweight and easy to maneuver. Weighing just under 7 pounds, it's light enough for quick cleaning sessions, and the ergonomic design allows for comfortable handling, even when you're cleaning above head areas or transitioning between floors. The dustbin is easy to empty with a simple one-click release, and while the capacity is adequate, you'll probably need to empty it after a couple of full house cleanings. Now let's talk about noise. The V11 operates at a higher decibel level than some other vacuums, particularly in Boost Mode. It's not overly loud, but you'll definitely hear it. For those sensitive to noise, especially in quieter homes, this could be a consideration, but when you see the suction power and performance, it becomes easier to overlook. As for the attachments, the V11 comes with 4 Dyson-engineered accessories, each designed to help with specific tasks. From the crevice tool for tight spots to the fluffy, soft roller cleaner head for delicate, hard floors, these attachments make it easy to customize your clean. Whether you're tackling a pile of pet hair on the couch or dusting high shelves, you've got the right tool for the job. After testing the Dyson V11 on a variety of floor types, it's clear that it performs exceptionally well. On carpets, it lifts embedded dirt and debris with ease, and the anti-tangle technology prevents hair from clogging the brush roll. On hard floors, it leaves a streak-free finish, picking up dust and crumbs without scattering debris. It's equally adept at cleaning upholstery, stairs, and even car interiors. If you're wondering how it handles pet hair, the hair screw tool makes quick work of even the most stubborn strands. Of course, no vacuum is without its drawbacks. For some, the V11's price tag might feel steep, especially when compared to budget options. It's not the lightest cordless vacuum either, so extended cleaning sessions could be tiring for some users. The noise level, as mentioned earlier, might be a concern for those who need a quieter experience. Additionally, while the dustbin capacity is decent, larger homes or those with high pet traffic might find themselves emptying it more frequently. The runtime, while solid, could also be limiting for larger homes unless you're using eco mode for lighter cleaning. Value for money is always a tricky topic. The Dyson V11 sits at a premium price point, but for that price, you're getting solid performance, excellent filtration, a versatile set of accessories, and powerful suction. In terms of battery life and ease of use, it compares favorably to other high-end cordless vacuums. However, if you're looking for something in a lower price range, there are other models out there that offer decent performance at a fraction of the cost. That said, if you're a pet owner or need a vacuum that can handle both deep cleaning and quick touch-ups, the V11 is a great option. When comparing the V11 to other models in its class, it holds its own against alternatives like the Shark Vertex Pro and the Tinyco Pure One S12. The Dyson V11 tends to outperform these models in suction power and filtration, but at a higher cost. Its runtime is competitive, though some of these alternatives may offer similar or longer battery life in their lower settings. In terms of attachments, Dyson's hair screw tool is a standout, something the competition struggles to match. On the build quality front, the Dyson V11 feels solid and well-made, with robust plastics and sturdy connections. The brush rolls and attachments are built to last, and Dyson's lifetime support and 2-year warranty offer peace of mind for long-term use. Maintenance is straightforward, with easily replaceable filters and a simple process for clearing blockages. If you need customer support, Dyson's reputation speaks for itself. With responsive service and a strong support network, you can count on the company to help out should any issues arise. To wrap it up, the Dyson V11 cordless stick vacuum is a fantastic option for those willing to invest in a high-performing vacuum. It excels at deep cleaning, especially when it comes to pet hair, and it offers flexibility with its various modes and attachments. While the price tag and noise levels might be deal breakers for some, its power, filtration, and versatility make it a solid contender for households looking for a premium vacuum. Whether you're dealing with carpets, hard floors, or upholstery, the V11 has you covered. If you're interested in the Dyson V11, the link to grab it can be found in the comments box below. Let us know in the comments if you've used this vacuum or have any questions. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep your floors looking fresh and your home spotless, right here at Reviews in TVV.